Good morning, Durban. It's 8:45 a.m. on Sunday, the 15th of September. There's very light northeasterly winds this morning, becoming moderate later. Swell is 1.7 meters, swell period 10 seconds. Temperatures will remain around 20 degrees for the next couple of days. There's lots of cloud cover around with a little bit of rain indicated for this morning and tomorrow. Tides for fishing shows the wind is 13 kilometers per hour from the northeast and the air temperature is 18 degrees. Atmospheric pressure is 1019 and stable. Sea temperature 21 degrees. Low tide was at 8:10 and the next high tide will be at 22 minutes past 2. Moon age is 11.1 days from the new moon, and the next phase will be the full moon on the 18th of September in 3 days' time, and that's when we'll experience spring tides. Next, we'll have your sunrise view. As you can see, there's a nice wave to ride this morning before the northeaster picks up. It's a nice gap for the surfers as well as for the fishermen. I saw lots of boats heading out to sea today. Conditions look fairly settled, but will become bumpy as the northeaster picks up. If you look at the trees, there's just a whisper of wind, so still very light conditions. A lovely day on the beach. Lots of bathers about, people on the promenade. Don't forget to check out Sean's spot at the Umzimkulu estuary. You can sort you out with accommodation, boat hire, and all the local knowledge you'll need. This week's promotion at Township Hyper includes the My Rage reel. They come in 3 sizes. They are 3+1 BB. Excellent Loomis reels on promotion. Check out Township Hyper on Facebook. And as always, stay tuned to the sardine.co.za.